friends, stay with me and join the wonderful world of art. My parents, please subscribe to always know about the adventures and fascinating drawings of children.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his
Dear friends, if you liked this video, be sure to visit my channel and learn about everything new. Also, please subscribe so that you are always with me and do not miss other interesting videos. Glowing Star Artist Palette.